You're like playing harmonica there. He's loving it, guys. Guys, once again, Matt, Mick here, Homegrown Lincoln, Food 411. We're still in search of Lincoln's best Reuben sandwich. We're at the McKinney's Irish Pub, located 8th and P Street here downtown. It's just walk down P Street toward the train station. So today I have with me Ryan. Ryan, how's it going?
A-okay, having a good day.
Right? Beautiful day.
Beautiful day in the Haymarket.
For those of you that do not know, Ryan is a world-renowned lion tamer. Are you excited for this?
Yeah.
Dude, I love
Excited
Reubens.
to try, me too.
So Ryan, rules. We have some similar rules. Of course, the first rule always is they can't know we're coming. Rule number 2 is no Rachels. Do you know what a Rachel is?
I don't.
A Rachel's where they substitute the corned beef for like a turkey.
Oh, okay.
Right? Like people that like want to like Reubens but can't commit.
Can't commit.
Yeah, you got to commit, guys.
Got commitment issues.
Got to commit. And then rule number 3 is 1 bite. We got to get that 1 bite, that good impression. Let's see what we get. So let's break this box open and see what we're looking at. Ooh, that looks actually delicious.
Oh, man.
Yes.
That looks very good.
I am beyond, I think, thrilled to eat this. Right away, like noticing maybe not as much sauce. Dude, are you ready to hit this?
Let's get in on it.
I am ready.
Yeah,
So, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, let's go to town. Oh, good. I like the kraut.
Kraut's good, and that shredded meat, delicious.
Like a real shredded meat. I would say a lack of the dressing. You don't taste that, but the kraut has some good flavor
Kraut's
to
good.
it.
You got the cheese. I can get some good Swiss cheese in there.
Right? The meat, sauerkraut, have really good, I would say, overall coverage.
Yeah.
Dressing's a little thin, but there's still enough there that you taste it.
Definitely.
And you can still take advantage of the taste of the kraut. So it's a good Reuben.
Good marble rye bread, too.
Yeah.
It's good.
They like use the panini press with it, so it's got some really good texture with it. So, Ryan, what are we going to score this thing?
You know, I'm going to probably give this an 8.
Okay. An 8. You know, I'm not far off there. I feel like to like a Reuben, you've got to like sauerkraut. But for those people that like Reubens a little bit because the sauerkraut is in the way, I think they may not like this as much. So I'm probably like an 8.3.
Cool.
How do you feel about that? So guys, we're at McKinney's here, down in the old Haymarket by Avonacone, off of 8th and P Streets here at McKinney's. We did an 8.3. Follow McKinney's Irish Pub on their social media, I'm sure Facebook, Instagram. And of course, if you guys know any other Reubens in town that you guys enjoy, any pubs, bars, grills, anything like that, please comment below. And as always, like, share, follow Homegrown Lincoln on Instagram and Facebook. Until our next one, guys, we'll see you there. Thanks, Ryan.
Thanks, Matt. You bet.
Boom, boom. I am making a mess.